I just picked up my trailer and I am gonna go and pick up my frame that I just got done getting powder coated. So just wanted to show you the trailer part of it, and once I put it on there I'll show you it again. It's a nice trailer, borrowed it from a friend of mine, and I didn't videotape taking it to get it powder coated, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a bunch of photos of the frame prior to me taking it and getting it powder coated. So hope you enjoy. Let me know if you have any comments, leave them below. Thanks. This is my A-body frame for the GTO. Just got it powder coated. This is the back section right here. I'm going to show you that, and then that's the front over there. So I'm getting ready to pull it in the garage. So just wanted to show you the color, and the frame came out really nice. Loving the color. I'm going to paint the car to a very similar color to this, so that's why I decided to paint or powder coat actually the frame. There's all my welding that I did on the frame bracing kit. Wanted to show you that came out really nice. Okay, everything came out really sweet, nice and clean. These are right here, these are all the washers that I welded in. So that came out really nice. Cleaned up front end, came out sweet. See that? Show you that over there. I'm gonna put it in the garage and put it on my horses, so just wanted to show you everything. All right, and let me zoom in a little bit on the other side. All my welding came out really nice and clean once they sandblasted and powder coated. So like I said before, I'm gonna put still frames of the frame prior to me getting it powder coated, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So if you have any comments, questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Just wanted to show you how nice that came out. All right, time to put it back in the garage. See you guys soon. All right, my frame is up on the horses and I wanted to show you. I'm going to start putting my suspension kit on it and my rear. Hold on a second, I'll show you. This is my Ford 9-inch rear. I have to do some modifications to it. I'm going to cut off these perches right here because this is where the suspension kit goes. So I want to make it nice, clean look. I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do it. And this right here is the other side of it. I got the third member coming, so once I get that, I'm going to start putting this together. I might paint this before I put my third member in, just so there's a coat of paint between the third member and the actual rear end. So that's a video to come. Okay, let's get back to my frame. I'm going to give you a quick walk around and I'll show you some up close pictures, or video rather, sorry. So I want to show you everything that came out really nice. I really love this color. With the black, it's really going to pop. So just want to show you everything here. It came out really nice. The engine compartment area That's where I was going for. That looks sweet. So this is the boxing kit that I installed. I'm going to put some pictures of it prior to me painting it and doing some work to it to show you exactly all the work that I did if you're a new subscriber. Just want to show you that. Came out really nice. This is just sitting here in case you're wondering, but I just wanted it to, it looks better with this just sitting here while I'm taking the video. All right, so that's it there. The exhaust cross member is welded in place, and that's done. That came out nice. So here's the back end of the frame. Super cool. And this is where those perches are going to be, where the spring goes on the 68 GTO. But I am going to eliminate the springs because I'm putting a suspension kit on here. So I'm just going to have the coil-over shock, which is going to be back here, supporting the rear and the body. So just wanted to show you that right there. So everything came out super, super nice. I'll show you that. Excuse me. So there you go. If you have any questions or comments, let me know and I'll try to get back to you. I'm going to show you this right here. It looks really cool. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. I want to show you this right here. This is the serial number right here. I'm assuming that's the serial number or the manufacturer's stamp right there. I don't know exactly how to read it. I looked it up on the net and I keep getting different results. Nothing that shows that. So I don't know if that's a serial number. So 430, I think that's an N right there. N2. See if I can get it in there. Yeah, N2. And I think that is a J, CJ right there. Sorry about the glare. I'm just trying to get it to work in there. I'm trying to put a still picture in there, but anyway. That right there is pretty cool. And I know a lot of people say that it is up in here, but I've never have yet to find one up here. So just wanted to show you that. And this is the other side of the frame kit. And if you look right here, there's another marking, which is on the other side. It's S circle right there and 10. The 10 is stamped on the other side as well. Pretty much right where that is. So I want to show you that. And that's it. I mean, the frame came out super, super nice. I really love the color of it. I hope you guys like the color. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Please like, share, and subscribe.